What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Speaker Woman today from Skibidi Toilet. I'm on the landscape page, use a pencil eraser, hit pause. If I go too fast, ruler might be helpful, lots of squares and lines and stuff. But if not, you could just go for freehanding the speaker lines on top of her head. So let's go. Curve at the top, like so. And then we'll go straight across, kind of diagonal. Her head is a bit tilted. You could do it straight if you wanted. Right, so going across there, I'll just join that up to that. Right, and then it like curves down here. And then we go down. So, and then down on this side. Okay, and then it like curves around the bottom here. And then you join those together. Okay. So we're going to make it look a little bit three-dimensional as well by adding a top to it, but we'll just do the speakers on the sides here. So it comes out like so, curves around, comes out here, curves around, and then you can join those together like that. And then we do pretty much the same thing on this side. Comes out, curving edge on the bottom, and then join them together like that. Okay, so to make them look a little bit three-dimensional, you just go diagonal from the top there, and then diagonal from this corner, and this has a curvy edge following the shape here, right? And then you join those two together like that, right? So you're trying to make a three-dimensional looking box, right? So it has a handle coming across the top, right? So it goes sort of into the corner here and here, right? And then this will go around, kind of like a rainbow, or like a tunnel or something, coming around like that. And then this has another side to it. Like so. And then we'll give this a sort of a three-dimensional edge as well. So just a back line here. And here as well. So then we have the speakers on the side of our head. So it goes kind of bumps, and then it has a bump in the middle, and goes back across. And then it curves down. And then it comes down this side, and it kind of bumps again in the middle around to there. And then these join together with this edge line that comes down the center. It's like a ridge that kind of sticks up that over here. So goes across, little bump in the middle, goes across. Same on the bottom. And then join those. I think I'm done with the ruler now, probably don't need it. So then the edge of this, like so. Maybe like another little edge line there, something in here. And then these headphones have another section just coming off here. And then like a circle. If you have a compass or a coin or a cup or something that can do circles really well, feel free to use it. If not, freehand them. So circle here. Circle here. So these are all like the speaker circles. And then we have a couple in the middle. So like that, and then around the edge there's probably like a double actually, so we're just going around here again. Of course this is pink on the inside. Okay, right, and then around here, right, so we've got a big one as well, like a double line as well, so it like starts here, it goes around to there, and you just keep sort of going around like that, and we'll go another line on the inside as well. Okay, like so. Right, and then the collar. So we got a collar. We're black. We'll go say here, just like a little V, and then the shirt collar comes out from there, goes up underneath the speaker, and then the suit jacket comes out this way, comes around and down her chest. We got like a little lapel, then goes down the center of her jacket. The other side kind of seems to bend around here, goes into there, up the other side to the lapel, like so. And then her shirt kind of just comes down the middle. Right, and it's female, so we'll go, so like the chest, say, what way would that be? We go, shoulders, say, come out, down, like that. Right, so you need to, and the other shoulder comes out here, down to an elbow out there. And then we have, say, armpit lines here, and then the side of her body starts curving around there, right? And her chest here and on this side as well. And then buttons. That's like a suit jacket line. And then her waist comes in quite thin. And then a bag on her back. Just in here, you can kind of see. Yeah, just a bag, and maybe there's like a strap or something in here. Like so. Buttons, did them, but we'll go just like a little sort of button lines there as well. Like some jacket being pulled kind of that way. Okay, Speaker Woman, that's it. Skibidi Toilet. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.